Set a simple wallpaper. I personally set a black one for 2 reasons. Not only is it super boring, but can also save me a bit of battery as this particular phone has an AMOLED display. Number 2 is to delete all social media apps. I can still use things like Instagram, but only if I go and download the app again or log in through the website. Number 3 is a bit extreme, but personally for me, I find YouTube to be my biggest time suck on my phone, even more so than Instagram or Snapchat. As a result, I've gone ahead and unsubscribed from every creator. Alright, number 4 is a bit less extreme, but using the Stay Focused app, I've gone ahead and set it up so that it blocks the YouTube app and YouTube.com, as well as the Instagram app, Snapchat, and Instagram.com. Another tip is to make all your icons on your phone grayscale. Adding on to that, change the color mode to natural if you even have a color mode, and this just makes things pop less, making the color on your phone a bit less of a distraction. Turn off reduce animations, and this just makes everything feel a bit more clunky, getting rid of the desire to use your phone. Speaking of animations, go ahead and reduce your 120Hz super fast blazing phone to the standard 60Hz refresh rate. While this may seem like this makes the phone less good, that's actually what I find personally I need in order to make my phone less distracting while still allowing it to be used as a tool with all of its modern conveniences. However, I think it's also important to note that this is a bit extreme, so I only really find myself using all these tips at one time for a few days. I think this is great if you really want to get focused on yourself or your work, but I'm also someone that loves YouTube videos, and I find I actually do get a bit of value from watching them. So I let myself bend the rules sometimes, download YouTube, or just watch it through the internet app on my phone. This allows all these tips to be something that I can sustain for a few days when I want to get focused, but then relax for the rest and still allow me to enjoy the process while getting to do my work. Well, that's all I have for this video, so don't forget to stay hydrated, and I will see you in the next one.